Hi everyone, it's Brenda Quintana here, and I just wanted to tell you about our awesome starter kit special in October 2024. The starter kit is only $99 and you get to choose $155 to put in your starter kit. The starter kit is always the best deal in the catalog. It's the best way to have the best stamping experience. It's the best way to get good prices, and it's the best way to get a great stamping community around you. I'm going to tell you my top 10 reasons for getting the starter kit this month. The number one reason is you get $155 worth of product for only $99. That's $56 in free product. Number two, you get to put new online exclusives in your starter kit if you want to do so. Customers can't even get those online exclusives yet, but you can put them in your starter kit. Number three, the starter kit ships for free, and who doesn't love free shipping? Number four, you'll get a 20% discount on Stampin' Up! Products until the end of March, and that benefit is renewable. Number five, you can see and order from new product lines early, like the online exclusives this month. And in December, it will be the Celebration catalog. We'll be able to pre-order and pre-earn from that catalog. Number six, you'll get insider access to Stampin' Up! Find out news early. You get to 10 Stampin' Up! Events. Number seven, you'll get all my tutorials for free when you get the starter kit from me, and I have over 80 tutorials to choose from. Number eight, enjoy your starter kit worry-free. There are no obligations and you don't have to sell. You can be your very own best customer. Number nine, there is really something for everyone. I have hobbyists, I have business starters, and I have in between on my team. So just know that you're going to feel at home no matter where you're at. Number 10, you're going to be part of my Bee Stampers family, and I love my team. And we have a couple of events every month that you can attend. I have weekly Facebook Lives to answer your questions. We have card swaps, we have challenges, and we have prizes. Now, these are all optional, but you're always welcome to join in. So to recap, this month, if you get the starter kit, you're going to get $155 in your choice of product for only $99. For more information, you can go to my blog up here. You can see the link. Go to cubbiesquest.com/join, or just go to cubbiesquest.com and click on the join menu. Or if you have any questions, direct questions, you are welcome to email me at brendaqstamps@gmail.com, and I will be happy to answer all of your questions. I hope you will join my team in October. Bye for now.